So, long story short, you wanted a different life and lifestyle than he was able to provide. And so you said, you know what, this, I'm out of here. I need more money.
I was selfish and took advantage of a real unfortunate situation, which was he loved me and David unconditionally, completely unconditionally. And when you love someone like that, you really accept their flaws and you accept less than what you should. So really, I should have been a better wife. Every time we saw each other,
he loved her unconditionally, but she couldn't do the same because of why? Money issues. 22% of marriages end because of money. Mama, you could have been a team player. You could have been the person where say, babes, as me say 2 minutes ago, babes, go formulate a plan because you work too hard, your body can run down. Enough of them, I'm telling you this, enough of them people not care about you as a spouse. Enough of them people who are married to you, them just there for the ride. And when the wheel bust, I'm find another man with a new car where wheels up. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, but I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. My name is Negusimara. I don't know, so we're going to react to another video that go viral on the internet the other day. You understand what I say? And this is a woman where admits that she divorced her husband just because she wants some more money. You see me? So let's dive right in it. We need not too much talking. You understand what I say? So let's get into the video real quick.
divorced before, my first marriage, we made all of the mistakes. Unfortunately, he passed away.
So why did you guys get a divorce?
Because I really wanted something different. It's very unfortunate because he was the most loving, kind person. I had all the love and support that I could have ever wanted. But I think I went through a period wanting money. Like I wanted to be with someone and be at a different level.
So it's crazy. 22% of marriages end because of money issues. All right, 22% of marriages end because of money issues. And she got all the love in the world. She admitted it. She got all the love in the world, but she didn't have enough love for him. She left a loving husband who gave her his heart, his soul, his mind, his body, just because she wanted to live a different lifestyle. You see, it's crazy. Sometimes I tell some of them man, I say, yo, stay upon your purpose. You understand what I say? To some people, the passion might come off as dislike or whatever words they want to come up with, but it is for you to have a future in a life, because without a future, they're bad, bro. Imagine a woman like, I work hard for a woman like this and she left you. You fall upon your face, brother, if you don't have something behind your name, you know, so you can stand firm by yourself with or without somebody, you see me? You can stand with them and without them. She admits that the man gave her everything that he could possibly give, but because he couldn't facilitate a lifestyle where the average human being not living a luxurious lifestyle, the average human being comfortable, or some dip on the brink of, working extra hard to maintain a comfortable lifestyle. Is it? We could continue real quick.
And I saw him work all of the time. It's one thing to work from 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. at night, day in, day out, and still have no resources. And for me to work, do the same, and just want a different life.
Yo, hold on there. Go pause that real quick. She said a man works so hard and still not have no resources. Imagine that the man work for fun a whole family, and because him not have enough to make your life comfortable. He may not the same discomfort like you, but him not give up. Him still work hard to try and maintain him family. Him still work hard to try and make sure him wife and him, I don't know if, yeah, she did say, them have kids. But him work to make sure you good, the kids good, and then him last. Because son of man deal with the family, then put themselves last as they should. Because if me take up a family, me know it's my responsibility to guard, protect, provide, everything where a man's supposed to do to make sure a family intact. I gotta do that. But she wasn't a team player. You know some woman that say, yo, babes, me not lie, you know. You work too hard. Yo, we need to figure out something which part we can make the same amount of money and work less. Or work less and make a little bit under the money we make, but we have room for kind of build something where we can call our own. You wasn't a team player, mama. You was never a team player. So you left the man because him now facilitate a lifestyle for you, and you left him because him a work hard. Imagine you go work hard and get left because your wife not see about the bills them pay though. And this is what I'm telling you. It's crazy. Go continue real quick.
So, long story short, you wanted a different life and lifestyle than he was able to provide. And so you said, you know what, this, I'm out of here. I need more money.
I was selfish and took advantage of a real unfortunate situation, which was he loved me and David unconditionally, completely unconditionally. And when you love someone like that, you really accept their flaws and you accept less than what you should. So really, I should have been a better wife. Every time we saw each other,
he loved her unconditionally, but she couldn't do the same because of why? Money issues. 22% of marriages end because of money. Mama, you could have been a team player. You could have been the person where say, babes, as me say 2 minutes ago, babes, go formulate a plan because you work too hard, your body can run down. Enough of them, I'm telling you this, enough of them people not care about you as a spouse. Enough of them people who are married to you, them just there for the ride. And when the wheel bust, I'm find another man with a new car where wheels up. Theme wheels them up, but your car over there so wounded, leaking here. Mama gone with a man in a drop top, ear blowing in the wind. Get to yourself together, my G's. Get to yourself together. Stop with the play. Yeah, girl thing cool, bad bro, but I'm gonna tell you this. When you have yourself in a position where you don't need nobody, So them can leave, but you still be able to sustain yourself. And see the sad thing about it, the dog dead. She remarried, but you're up on TV, I cry about your ex-husband and you're married. She not happy in the new relationship. Obviously she not happy because if you happy, yo, me now come on the blood clot TV, come talk about it because my wife, me married right now, I love my wife. It's unfortunate, so my first wife, me and I never work out, but I can't violate my wife like that. You understand what I say? She realized, and I want to know, I can rate her for that. She take account for her fucker. So I have to respect her for that. Go continue real quick.
like you knew that was your soulmate, right?
Wow, I mean, so he was your soulmate.
It's hard because I knew how he still felt about me.
He just loved you.
He really did.
And you broke his heart.
That's what it is.
Oh, don't cry too.
When I first saw this video, I was like, man, don't hug her, man. She knew what she did. But, you know, a lot of them don't know what they're doing. A lot of them are just playing it by ear. A lot of these men and women, but we are talking about women right now, they are just winging it in life. Them don't know what to do or how to go about doing what them need to do. If she knew what she was doing, she knew. You know what woman just want a man for just love them unconditionally. You know what woman want unconditional love? But you left the man because of money. If you were a team player or if you actually love that man the way you claim you love him, you would have found a solution. You went to the extreme. You went to the extreme of leaving him and he died. Who's to know he died of a broken heart? You know, say the man could have died of a broken heart? It's so crazy. It is so crazy. Sad. Super sad. As me I tell you no, young men, stop rampa road. Get to know life together. Nobody not play with nothing. Nobody not care about you. Nobody want to know that. You understand what I say? The only people who care about you are mother bad bro. You understand what I say? If you have a loving father, I care about you too. But the world don't business about you bad bro. You can give your loved one everything and them turn around and leave you and say, I don't want that anymore. I need more. You can give your partner everything you're able to give, but them are going to turn around and say, this is not enough. And they're going to be right. Because you think say you give them the whole world. But it's a blood knot seashell you give them bad, bro. You understand what I say? So the cookie crumble more time. You understand what I say? I don't want to think about this. You understand what I say? I think the lady, she said everything that could be possibly said. It's disgusting. She never worked with the dog still. But rest in peace to him, man. I hope she find, genuine love. You understand, man? I say, hope she can find something close to where she did find. Well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Let me know what you think in the comment section. You understand, man? I say, make sure you don't like, comment, share, subscribe, hit notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Can I get a sound effect? Alright, that was overkill. That was overkill. I'm out.